We actually, earlier this year, rolled out GHG, or greenhouse gas, goal to reduce our facility emissions by 70% by 2020. And the Bloom cell is a big component of that. The installed Bloom cell that we have in Springfield, it's supplying about 35% of the power for the facility, and it's reducing our carbon emissions by about 40% from what we would be emitting if we were sourcing the electricity from the grid. It's also operating ahead of plan, so it's actually operating above rated capacity. So that's another very positive. But beyond just our own utilization of Bloom within our facilities, we've long been, as a corporation, proponents of natural gas. The end use of natural gas is the most economical and environmentally efficient way to use the fuel. And the world is finally starting to catch up to that. If you think about the fact that we're sitting here today about 100 miles away from what's considered the Saudi Arabia of natural gas with the shale gas that's available, when you combine that with the unquestioned reliability of the natural gas distribution system in the face of storms, whether they're hurricanes, ice storms, et cetera, when you put those two together, using technology like Bloom, it's a no-brainer.